You are going to love this Copycat Panda Express recipe. I'm Tess, and tonight I'm making my version of Panda Express honey walnut shrimp. Trust me, it's better than TakeOut. Stay tuned. One of my favorite dishes at Panda Express is the honey walnut shrimp. The shrimp is fried with a tempura batter and comes out light and puffy and is tossed with sweetened walnuts and a yummy sweet creamy sauce. So let's get started. First, I'm making the sweetened walnuts. The walnuts in this dish really add a nice contrast to the shrimp and sauce and also add lots of crunch. In my saucepan on medium heat, I'm adding in 1 cup of water and 3/4 cups of granulated sugar, giving that a good stir and bringing up to a simmer. Once at a simmer, I'm adding in 1 cup of walnuts, cooking and stirring for 3 minutes. I'm using some crushed walnuts so they vary in size. Once done, I'm using a slotted spoon to remove the walnuts and place on a silicone mat, or you can use parchment or wax paper, letting them cool to room temperature. I have 1 pound of 1620 shrimp that I cleaned, peeled, and deveined. These are a nice bite size. I'm simply seasoning with a little salt and white pepper. Sticking these back in the refrigerator until I'm ready to fry. The sauce is really creamy and sweet and brings this honey walnut shrimp dish together. I have 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, and I'm adding in 6 tablespoons of sweetened condensed milk, 1 tablespoon of rice vinegar, and 2 tablespoons of honey. And that's it, giving that a good mix. This is going to be more sauce than I need, but I wanted to make sure that I had enough. That's the beauty of making this Copycat Panda Express dish at home. You can make it the way you like it. For the tempura batter, I have 3 large egg whites that I'm whisking until they get foamy and frothy. You want to get as much air incorporated as possible, but not to the point that it forms peaks. I'm gradually stirring in 1/3 cup of cornstarch. The batter will be thin and light. Now I'm adding in the shrimp and giving them a good toss to get thoroughly coated. I have my vegetable oil at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm adding in half of my shrimp. I don't want to overcrowd the pan, so I'm frying my shrimp in 2 batches. The shrimp will only take about 3 minutes to cook, and they will turn a nice golden brown. Give them a stir and a turn over occasionally. Once done, remove from the pan and lightly drain on a paper towel or wire rack. Now let's put this honey walnut shrimp dish together. I have my shrimp, and I'm adding in the sweet crunchy walnuts. Pouring over the sauce and giving it a gentle toss. And remember, you can add as much as you like. This is a dish that you want to serve and eat right away. It is so good. It tastes just like Panda Express TakeOut, and even a little better. You can make this copycat recipe at home and save yourself some money. I hope you give my Copycat Panda Express honey walnut shrimp recipe a try and enjoy. If you like this video recipe, please hit the like and subscribe button. Remember to hit the bell next to the subscribe to make sure that you get my future video recipes. You can also find me on Facebook and at my website. Feel free to share this recipe and my channel with your friends and family. And until next time, much love!